In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted
Get ready
with
now.
dreams, we're chasing the echoes
Sit on your
of
knees,
silent
lean forward,
screams.
stretch your arms in
Caught the
front,
spell
rest your
of
upper
the
body.
cosmic night.
20
When
seconds.
fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight, we'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust, gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite.
It's almost done.
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
Wait while standing.
Constellations will find a way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we
Stand
leave,
upright,
our
bend
cares
forward,
behind.
extend one arm, and raise the opposite leg backwards at the same time. Repeat. 15 seconds.
Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fences bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders.
It's almost done.
Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our
Wait while standing.
spirits ignite. As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light, the shimmering galaxies.
Open your arms to the sides, palms facing upward. Rotate your arms counterclockwise. 20 seconds.
Everlasting sway with each celestial heartbeat. We dance on in this cosmic light as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
It's almost done. Stand upright. Extend your arms to sides, raise them above your head, and bring your hands together. 20 seconds. It's almost done. For both sides. Lie on your back with one foot on the wall and the knee bent. Raise the other leg straight up while bringing your arms next to your hips. 110 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Go near a wall. Lie on your back with your feet on the wall with knee bent. Then start walking up and down. 55 seconds. It's almost done. Go near a wall. Lie on your back, extend your legs, and place your feet on the wall a little bit higher. Then pull your knees to your chest alternately. 55 seconds. It's almost done. Go near a wall. Lie on your back with legs extended on the wall. Raise your head, pull one knee toward your head, and grab it, alternating sides. 55 seconds. It's almost done. Go near a wall. Lie on the floor with your feet on the wall, knees bent, and toes pointing outward. Open your knees wide. Raise your hips, then lift your heels. 55 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while standing. For both sides. Extend one arm over your head and bend your elbow. Grab your elbow with the opposite hand and gently bend at the waist to the side of the bent elbow. 40 seconds. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, place your hands on the sides, raise your legs slightly first, then raise them higher alternately. 20 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while standing. Stand upright, place your hands on your waist, swing your legs back and forth alternately. 40 seconds. It's almost done.